Mistakes beginners do in the data science journey. As you delve deeper into data science, you might start doubting whether the field is a good fit, considering the various hardships you've faced. Be it something as mundane as finding a suitable dataset or the actual model deployment, the first set of mistakes is hidden and hard to spot. But here are a few tips for you to overcome those. Number 1. Don't spend too much time on theory. Rather than putting in those long hours on theory, try to balance it with hands-on projects. They'll help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and in learning how each piece fits into the bigger picture. Second, you might feel the urge to code every single model from scratch, but it's perfectly alright to pick up general purpose libraries instead. Nobody learns in a day, but if you do go ahead with coding from scratch, do so for the purpose of learning rather than creating the perfect algorithm. Number 3. Fundamentals is the key. It is important to build the basics and take it from there, mastering each skill in the correct progression. Remember that even the most fundamental ML models have untapped potential and can contribute in ways you might not even realize. What we fail to notice is that the most important task as a data scientist is to focus on data visualization and EDA. Jumping directly to model building has many repercussions. For instance, you might end up creating a model that lacks applicability and focuses on factors that are not even vital. Lastly, you might feel overwhelmed with the competitiveness in the field of data science. But it is okay to take a step back and remember that surrounding yourself with all the tools at once is not the solution. Learn each tool one at a time. The goal is to grasp without pressuring yourself into cramming everything at once. In conclusion, it goes without saying, but focus on the problem at hand, decipher it, understand what the solution should be, learn about your data and what each portion conveys. Remember, there is no fixed methodology. Only if you are clear with your concepts, you can build the optimal solution. Data science is a systematic approach that involves as much analytical thinking as it does model building. And for more such videos to help you in your data science journey, please subscribe to our channel.